Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete contacts from Google account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone settings, you have to just simply scroll down until you're able to find the option which is Google. So I'm just scrolling down. Here is the option which is Google. So after tapping on Google, what you have to do is your Google account will be opened here. Now what you have to do is just simply click on manage account here. You have to just simply click on manage your Google account. So after tapping on it, your Google account section will be displayed here. Now here what you have to do is just simply swipe right. Just you have to wait for a while, and here what you have to do is just simply swipe right until you're able to find which is people and sharing. So just simply hit this people and sharing and your people and sharing section will be opened here. Now here the first option is contact. You have to simply click on contact and you guys can be able to see below which is 484 contacts. Just simply click on it and just simply select any of the browser in which you want to open it. So I'm just clicking on my Google Chrome account. So it will ask you for your Google account, and here you guys can be able to see all of my contacts are displaying here. So in order to remove or delete any of the contact, what you guys have to do is just simply you have to hold or long press on the chat of that specific account. So you guys have to simply check the mark. You guys can see I have selected that specific chat. So in order to delete it or in order to make any changes on it, you have to simply tap on the top left corner of 3 horizontal lines. So after tapping on that, here guys you guys can be able to see the delete button here. Just simply click on this delete button and just you guys can delete. Or another option is you guys have to simply hit on that specific number of that specific contact. So after tapping on that specific contact profile, you have to simply click on this dustbin icon which is on top right corner. Just simply click on this delete button and just simply click on move to trash. So after tapping on move to trash, you guys can delete your Google, you delete your contacts from your Google account. So I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.